Hi friends, in this video we are going to learn that if 7 power x plus 8 equal to 8 power x plus 7, then what is the value of x? If you are new to the channel, guys, please kindly subscribe to the channel before we proceed. Let's get started, guys. So 7 power x plus 8. We do have a rule. Let us say if we have a power m plus n, I can write down that as a power m multiply by a power n. When we multiply, we add the power, and that is to both the ways. So here in this question, we are going from there to there. So 7 power x plus 8, I'll write down as 7 power x multiply by 7 power 8. Again, 8 power x plus 7, I can write down as 8 power x times 8 power 7. Now, I'll collect the x terms, on one side and other like constant terms on the other side. So that will give me 7 power x over 8 power x equal to 8 power 7 over 7 power 8. Now, I can just do one thing. Like, let us say if I do have a power m or b power m, then I can write down as a over b everything power m. So I can write down this as 7 upon 8 everything power x, and this is equal to 8 power 7 upon 7 power 8. Now, my power is x. That's what I want to find out. So whenever power is unknown, the best method is to take the log both the side. So I'll be taking log 7 upon 8 power x equal to log 8 upon 7 over 7 upon 8. Now on the left hand side, what can I do is I can just simply, there is a rule in the log, let us say log a power b. Then power goes in the front, which becomes b times log a, which I can apply right here because my power x, I can go in the front. So that is going to be x and then log 7 upon 8 equal to log 8 power 7 over 7 power 8. Now there is another rule in the log is, let us say there is a log x over y. Then I can write it down as log x minus log y. Yeah, so I'll be writing down the same way. So x and then there is a bracket log 7 minus log 8, and that is equal to, I can write down this as log 8 power 7 minus log 7 power 8. Now, the whole bracket, I can take it to the right hand side. So my x is going to be log 8 power 7 minus log 7 power 8 everything over. Now this bracket is going other side, so this is times goes divided by log 7 minus log 8. Now the last step is we do know, like let us say log a power b, then b goes in the front, power goes in the front. I do have 7 as a power here, so that can also go in the front. So that is going to be 7 log 8 minus 8 log 7 over log 7 minus log 8. That is my x value. Now, let us say log 7 and log 8. If you put on a calculator and try to get that, So let us say, or in a log table you can find out. So log 7 value to 4 decimal places is coming 0.8951, and log 8 value is coming 0.9031. So you can get these answers, guys, either in a calculator, or you can get the answers from your log table as well. Now, in this X thing is there, wherever there is a log 8, you go to substitute with 0.9031. And wherever there is a log 7, you can substitute with 0.8951. And whenever you find out by using that, you'll be getting your X equal to 7.571, which is your final answer, guys. I hope you like the videos. If you didn't still subscribe, please kindly subscribe to the channel for more maths videos. I'll see you in the next video, guys. Bye.